Having trouble transferring your number to AirTalk Wireless? The two most common culprits are incorrect account numbers and transfer pins. Your account number is your unique identifier with your previous carrier, usually found on your bill or account details online. Double-check this number carefully. The transfer pin is a temporary code from your old carrier, valid for a limited time, 24 to 48 hours. Request a new PIN from your previous provider if it's expired. Expired PINs and incorrect account numbers are the number one reason for port-in failures. Make sure to have these two pieces of information correct before submitting. If your initial port-in fails, don't panic. First, confirm with your previous carrier that the account is active and unlocked. Then, cancel the failed request via AirTalk's website or app and resubmit it. When resubmitting, double-check that the account number and transfer PIN are accurate. Include any relevant notes about previous errors in the submission to expedite the process. Monitor the status via AirTalk's account dashboard. Resubmission with correct details usually resolves the issue within 24 hours. For faster validation, try using the AirTalk app. If the problem persists, contact AirTalk customer support for assistance.